Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about 8th class mathematics, 11th lesson, that is algebraic expressions. Okay na? So before going to the lesson, we need to know some terms of the lesson. In the terms, there are some terms will be there. In that, we need to know what is mean by variable and what is mean by constant and what is mean by term, and after we are going to learn what is mean by expression. Okay na? So first we are going to learn what is mean by variable. So variable mean it is a symbol or a letter. It cannot have, it does not have, it do not have a fixed value is called variable. Here in the mathematically we use some English alphabets like variables. So those are I am going to writing here. Variables are, we are using variables are x comma y comma z and a b c and l m z already given, n and p and sometimes q. So these are variables. We use the variables in the English letters. Okay now, here one thing you remember that, so in variables we can use or we will use all small letters in English. So this is very important. So all variables we can use has a small letters only. So once check all small letters only there. So these are variables. So constant. So constant mean it is a number. So it is have a fixed value. Here for example, so it is a 5 also one number and it is have a one fixed value, and 9 and all numbers we can use as a constant till infinity. Okay na? So this is a constant. So term, what is a term means? So term means the product of one constant and one or more than one variables. For example, 2 into xy. Here 2 is a constant, x is a variable, y is a variable. So here we can use one variable or more than one variable. So in this between should make a product. So term mean the product of one variable and product of one constant and one or more than one terms. It's called a term. Okay na? So next, so 3x square y. Here 3 is a constant, x is a one variable and y also one variable. Here product of these one constant, one or more than one variables is called a term. For example, write one more, 5y z square. Here 5 is a constant, y is a variable, z is a variable. So product of these three we called a term. Hope understand well. So term mean product of one constant, one or more than one variables. Here we can add x also one term we considered. Okay now? So individually here x is a one term. Here the meaning of that, so term means the product of one constant and one variable or more than one variable, because here constant not there, we can write as 1 into x also. Here consider 1 is a one constant. Okay na? So this is a term. So expression mean, so one or more than one terms express has a plus symbol or a minus symbol in that between, it's called expression. So here expression mean express one or more than one terms has a symbol plus or minus is called expression. For example, here 2x is a one term and so 3 is a one term. 3 is a one term because 3 is a constant term we considered. Here in this between which we have to use plus or minus symbol. So this is overall we called expression. Expression mean one term or more than one terms express as plus symbol or minus symbol. It's called expression. We'll write one more example. X square plus 4x plus 2. Here x square is one term, 4x is one term, so 2 is one term. Here 3 terms are there. In these three terms, we are expressing in a plus symbol in this between. It's called expression. Okay na? So now degree of term. Here terms we are taking, no? Let's take one term. Here 3x square y. This is one term there. So we are asking that degree of term. Degree of term means sum of all powers of the variables in a term is called degree of term. Sum of all exponents in the term, it's called degree of term. So this power is 2, this variable power is 2, so this variable power is 1. Here sum of these two variables terms, so sum of these two exponents of the variables is called degree of term. Simple. So sum of exponents of a variables is called degree of term. Here x power of 2 there, y power of 1 there, so 2 plus 1 3, so 3 is a degree of term. So this term degree is 3. You will take one more example. Here x y is a one term. What is the degree of this term? X power 1, so y power also 1 will be there, so this term degree is 2. Here 1 plus 1 2, like this, fine. Here so degree of term means sum of all exponents of a variable in the term is called degree of term. Okay na? So let's go degree of expression. Here so degree of expression mean, so highest degree of a term in the expression is called a degree of term. Here for example write one overall expression, that is x square plus or minus will be x square plus 4x minus 2. It is one expression. In this first find every term degree. Here x square degree is 2, 4x degree is 1 and 2 degree is 0. Here one thing remember everybody, every constant term degree is 0 only. Here which is the highest degree of a term in this all, which is the highest degree there, so 2 is highest, so overall 2 is the degree of this expression. So 2 is the degree of this expression. Okay na? Simple. Degree of expression mean first find every term degree, after in that which is the highest degree there, highest degree of term there, so the degree is called degree of expression. Okay na? So now let's go types of expression. So types of expressions. Here based on the terms there are divided 4 types of expressions. How many types? 4 types of expressions will be there. So based on the terms, if a expression which is have a one term only, it's called monomial. What we call monomial. So example, we can write x is a one term and x square is one term and y z it is totally one term. Okay na? This is example. Simple. So one term, a expression which is a one term only is called monomial. So expression which is have a two terms, it's called binomial. What we call? Binomial. Here binomial called, for example, x plus 2, x square plus 4 and xy plus z. Here 2 terms will be there. Okay na? So let's go 3 terms. A expression which is have a 3 terms, it's called trinomial. What we call? Trinomial. Here example, x square plus 2y plus 3. So here 3 terms will be there, so it's called trinomial. Here so last one, more than 3 terms. A expression which is have a more than 3 terms, it's called multinomial. A expression which is have a more than 3 terms, it is called multinomial. Example, x cube plus 2y z plus 3y plus 9. Here more than 3 terms there, so these kind of expressions is called multinomial. Okay na? So now let's go like terms and unlike terms. So now let's go like terms and unlike terms. Here like terms mean a terms or a group of terms which is have same variable and same power. So be careful, the group of terms in which terms have same variable and same power, it's called like terms. For example, here 3x is one term and 9x one term and 5x. Here see, in this group of terms there are same variable and that variable power will be same. Here x power 1 there, here x power 1 there, here x power 1 there. So these kind of group terms are called like terms. Okay, na? Let's take one more example. So here 2x square y and minus 4x square y and so x square y. Here constant is not important, variables and powers are important. Here, so here constant is not important. Here constant 2 there, here 4 minus 4 there, here 1 there, here 1 there. So but constant is not important, variables are important and powers are important. Here power x variable there, y variable there, here x variable there, y variable there, x variable there, y variable there. But here one more condition there, that this x power will be there 2, here x power there 2, here x power there 2, and here y power there 1, here y power there 1, here y power there 1. See, once check, in this all terms variables will be same there and powers will be same there. Okay na? So these kind of this group of terms are called like terms. Okay na? Understand, I think. Okay na? So let's go unlike terms. So unlike terms are reverse of the like terms. A group of terms which are not have a same variables and same power. Okay na? So let's take example here. So 3x is one variable there. I am taking 4y and so x square. So these three are terms there, group of terms there. Once check, so these are variables will be same there or not, first check. Here x is variable there, here also x is variable there. One condition will be over, variable is x or variable will be same. Here variable change there. Next one more condition there, no, power should be change. So power should be same, power same. Okay na? Here power 1 there, here power 2 there. So these two are not like terms, these are unlike terms. This group of terms are called unlike terms. So let's take one more example. X square y z xy xz. So let's take, so this is x term, x variable there, y variable there, x variable there, y variable there, z there, xz there. Here power check, x square there, here x only 1 there, here power 1 there, here power 1 there. But this is totally one term, for this totally one term. You check one term only. Here x square 1 there, here x1 y1 there. So it is not same, means, so this group of terms are called unlike terms. Unlike terms. Are you understand well? Okay, now let's go additions of expressions. Let's take one example, you will understand well. For example, I am taking one expression that x square plus 4x plus 9, one term, one expression, and minus 5x minus 4. So these two expressions given. So we need to add these two expressions. Here for finding of additions there are two methods, that is called vertically method one. Which one? Vertically method and second one is horizontal method. So it is important. So for finding of addition and subtraction also, so there are two methods, that is vertically method and horizontally method. First we go vertically method. So here in the vertically method, first write first expression as is same, x square plus 4x plus 9. So in the vertically method I wrote same as usually what is given in the first expression. So next, while writing the second expression you have to keep plus symbol, because plus means you are asking to do addition. So we are making two addition. So after completion of one expression you keep a symbol, or you can keep one bracket also. So between this also you can keep bracket. So minus 5x minus 4. See, so this is the first term, this is the first expression, so this is the second expression, so this is the second expression. In this between plus symbol there, so plus mean we are doing addition. Are you understand? Yes. So let's go forward. So here integers rule will be applied here, so try to understand. Here x square write same, so plus 4x write same, so plus 9 write same. Here plus is do the simplification with inside, here inside simplification doing plus into minus 5x. Have you got? Plus into minus 5x over. Next to plus into minus, again minus will come 4. So this is important, so try to understand. So plus is simplifying inside of the terms. Here plus into minus will come 5x same, right? So plus into minus 4 right same. Okay na? So now let's go forward. So next step here which are like terms there, so do the addition or subtraction. So remaining terms write same. Here x square terms not there anywhere, so x square writing same. Okay na? Very good. Next 4x is one term and minus 5x is one term. So these both are same terms there, like terms there. Here 4 minus 5 there. Here 4 minus 5 there means 4 subtracted from minus 5. How much? 1. Minus 1 will come. So it is as usually right, minus x we can write. Minus x we can write. Here minus 5 is big there. From biggest number to we are subtracting small number 4, it is 1x. So here big number minus there, I am keeping minus. Over. So next this is over. So here these two are constant terms. So constant terms are like terms always. So here plus 9 there, minus 4 there. 9 minus 4 how much? Plus 5 only na. So this is addition of, so these two expressions. Got it. So this is vertically method. So if you go horizontally method, first write as usually first expression. Okay na? X square plus 4x plus 9. So now, so vertically, horizontally mean from up to down we can write as. Okay na? From up to down means, so top to bottom we can write. Okay na? Here top I wrote, now next term write down means bottom right. Here which is the like terms or which is the same terms there, so you can write their bottom only. Here minus 5x there, so x square term not given, so we can write 0 into x square keep. Okay na? So instead of x square term, because here x square term they not there, so next minus 5x term there, so 5x right same, plus minus 4. So here try to understand, x square term not given, so I wrote the based instead of x square term 0 into x square I wrote. So 0 into x square means 0 will become. So here value cannot change. Here 4x is one term and 5x term right at the bottom of the term same day. Okay na? Here constant term right beside of constant. So now do addition. Here plus kq. X square term plus 0x square term. So here x square term will come. Got it? So next term minus 5x plus 4x. It is always x over. Next 9 minus 4. It is plus 5. So here over my answer. So once check, the both answers will come same. Okay na? I hope understand well. Thank you.